Hi, this is Nicole with the Nellis Group in the highly sought-after subdivision of Greenfield Farm.
Hi, I'm Alyssa, and this is 5454 Crossrail Drive in Burke, Virginia. Join us on a tour today. Welcome to the heart of the home, the kitchen. I have loved serving my family in this kitchen. Wonderful stainless steel appliances, a large sink, and then my favorite, we actually built this pass-through window so that you can see into the dining room and family room at all times. Also, there are huge 42-inch cabinets, so plenty of storage for all of your things to be able to serve your family. Off of the kitchen here is the dining room. We're able to fit a very large dining table, can fit up to 8 people in here, which is wonderful. We have a beautiful chandelier, and then you're also able to see that pass-through window as you are here in the dining room. Off of the dining room, we have the living room. We have done a lot of custom work in here. We had the pony wall removed and steel bars and these beautiful wood posts put in as well. And then this accent wall, you can see big 12-foot ceilings, which is awesome and feels really large in here. And then all of the light coming in from the windows and these doors as well, just allows for great family time. Here in the primary bedroom, we have a ceiling fan, a walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom. Welcome to your lower level living with direct access to your backyard, as well as the storage room and full bathroom. Thank you for watching this video.
Please reach out to the Nellis Group for your own private tour today.